Very good morning to student. Today you are going to learn in part of the open cast mining. You are so far you're learning the various type of machinery used in the open cast mine. In the part of that, today one of the special equipment for particularly meant for the grading purpose to maintain the roads grading. It's called as popularly motor grader. That is we're going to learn in this. This is for 50 minutes lecture. Uh, my name is Karuna Kumar, HOD mining. And part of the open cost mining, different machinery used in open cost mines. The subtopic is list the main parts, functions, and place of application of road graders. The objectives of this PPT basically on the completion of this topic, you can would able to list the main parts and functions and place of application of road graders. The simple image of the road grader, the working environment in the road. Most of the road graders are applications in the making of roads according to the design engineer given. Uh, for the maintenance of the excess material, it will be cut as and also uh, the adjusting the angle between the downside and upside, uh, the regular practice in the road projects. In our mining is concerned, all roads are based on things, particularly in curve in nature and also the uh, some elevated areas due to the heavy earth moving machineries continuously moving there. So regularly you have to clean up the leveling and also the maintain the sufficient angle outside of barrens in case of turnings or in case of oval in shapes. So most of the grader role is very important in the particularly in open cast mine is concerned. This most of the different companies are manufacturing. BMLs are there, Caterpillars, uh, they're manufacturing for this purpose. It is a very unique mission. Uh, there is a force. Uh, Two parts are there. The front part is particularly in front. There will be a circle in beneath. Dozers type, but the dozer is a different purpose. But it is giving the scanners also. Scanning, we can be maintain the angle automatically recorded in the panel of the operator. He can see that how much angle is cutting in the left side, how much in the right side, how much elevation is required to pushing of the material from the one place to the other place. These can be easily, you can see that this image at glance for understanding the identification of the mission is also very important. So we see that once at glance. Right. So the one more image here, you can be easily able to see the blade. This is also curved nature in blade, but a circle is there. In circle, it will be pivoted here based on the hydraulic lifter. It can be lift. It can be lift this side. It can be, this is the three cylinders you can observe here. The pistons are hydraulic pistons are available here. The circle in and on the circle it can be rotated also. The based on this pusher piston, you can be tilt 360 degrees of the for convenient for the blade. This is the blade length around here. From this side is another 1.5 meter. Is there another from this? So for convenient purpose to rotate the middle of these two tires, that is to articulate to threads. So the rotation is required here. So that much of clearance also given. That way the mission will be too long by seeing to observe the too long. There is a long boom is there in front for convenient purpose. The construction is there, and also tractor mission is there. These are the basic structural parts of road graders. Motor graders or road graders are usually simply termed as a graders. The main function of grader is to cut, tilt, and grade to a desired profile. So the main function, basic function, is to the what are the excess material over the road. Uh, the cut and a lift, that material can be lift some extent, and also grade will be adjusted somewhere or required in a down area or something. So this is a basic function of the grader. Um, Broadly speaking, the motor grader moves rather than the removes the dirty. This task is accomplished with the help of the long curved section, hardened blade with a removable bottom and end cutting edge. No matter how the function is happening by the help of the a long uh, bottom edge and a renewable bottom end cutting edge blade. The blade movements are three types: up and down, sideway, and rotational. Uh, the blade movements can be very clearly mentioned here: up and down, sideways it can be moved, and rotational. So you can observe this is up and down, and then sideways. It come to completely sideways if possible. The coming picture you can easily understand the um, um, blade movement and rotational. So it's possible to rotate in around this area. It's complete this area it can be rotated. So these three functions are performed by the road grader. The board is fastened to circle by means of circle knees. A matched uh, tilt rack is provided on the circle knees to allow the blade to tilt forward or backward with relation to the circle knees. The pitch of the mold board should be such that it gives the cutting edge at the bottom proper penetration while at the same time keeping the dirt rolling. The blade is too forward. The cutting edge does not have the proper cutting angle and will drag along the ground instead of entering the easily. So here is the blade function is very clearly mentioned. There is a circle is there. There is a circle allowed the blade to forward and backward relation to circle knees. From here there is circle knees to move. The pitch of the mold board should be such that it give the cutting at the bottom proper penetration while at the same time keeping the dirty rolling. So this will give you the penetration rate as well as so moving that material into adjusting here itself. That can be given matching here. If the blade is too forward, the cutting edge does not have the proper cutting angle, and will drag along the ground instead of entering it easily. So sometimes there no need to the insert into that. It may be adjusted herself. So that is can also possible without digging. If the blade is pit too far back, the material will be hang onto the mold board and will be dragged forward instead of rolling off the mold board freely as it is should. More forward pitch is required for deep ditch cuts than for surface work. The wet sticky material requires more backward pitch than dry granular material. Pitch adjustment must therefore done according to soil conditions. So this is another important factor depending upon the soil nature. Some rainy season is there. So most of the open cast hall roads are in a or the muddy nature, very watery and muddy nature. In such case, there is no need of digging, but simply you have to thrown with the blade put onto the ground of the hall roads, just adjusted by the or excess that mud will can be thrown out by this one. So sticky material required in a case of backward pitch than the trigranular material is. So pitch adjustments therefore done according to soil condition. You can be adjust. Mold board. Mold board can also be hydraulically tilted, enabling the operator to control tilt of the mold board from his seat. On all grading work, the mold board should be set to discharge the debt either inside or outside the rear wheel. If the rear wheel have to go over the discharged material, the cut will be irregular. The usual weighing weight of the machine is about 12,500 kgs. Generally, the weight of um, the mission is almost 12,500 kgs. The weight of the mission is concerned. Um, this grading work, the model should be set each other that way, the side of the outside of the railway. So this is one special thing. If the machine is stand one thing, it can be move the blade into the sides. The some extent it's possible. It is a major advantage of the uh, road grader. In addition, some more points I would like to cover here. They may be either towered or motorized. Sometimes they are using a tower type. There is a motorized type. Um, usually safe, visually safe propulsive. Um, the construction basically front of the grader frame is supported on a pair of the front wheels and the rear on a tandem wheels. There is a pair of wheels. There is a four set, two pairs in a front back side and one pair in the front side. So this is the basic structure of the motor grader is concerned. Front of the rear grade frame is supported on the pair of the front wheels and rear of the tandem wheels. Curved blade is supported on the circle. The curved blade is supported on the circle and be turned through the 360 degrees. The curved blade is supported on the circle and to be turned through 360 degrees. Blade has a replaceable edges. Blade has a replaceable edges. Cutting depth is 2 to 4 centimeters. Uh, very negligible things. Almost small thing can be possible. 2 to 4 centimeters is concerned. So blade can be replaceable. See, it will be if any wear and changes happen, it can be simply remove and put it to another new one. It's possible in the is concerned. So this is the general construction details. Curved blade supported on the circle. So already I given here in this figure is very clear. So that this is a circle. With 360 degrees is possible to rotate the base of this circle. base of the blade as replaceable edges. The almost blade replaceable edges also. Cutting depth is also given. So this is the overall structure of the motor grader. There is a tandem pair in the rear end and one pair in the end, and middle there is a circle. The circle is allowed. The blade can be rotated 360 degrees. Some more points I added here. Planning surface used to plane or smooth off cut or fill surface. Ditch cuts, haul road maintenance, spreadings. These are the basic functions they are doing in the field. Planning surface, if you, as per the requirement of the planning, you can plan the surface, use it to plane or smooth cut or fill the surface. So it can be smooth or cut and fill it to that one. That jobs he performed. Ditch cuts. Some ditches are there that also can be performed. Haul road maintenance is most of the present open cast mining. Majorly, it will appear in the whenever visit mines appear in the roads because 24 by 7. I mean, rainy seasons you have to maintain slippery nature, so vehicle should not be um, um, the brake if the brake is applied or moving of the machine is difficult. Such condition regularly maintenance purpose. Scrapper is that is road grader is essential at the roads. So all road maintenance exclusively using for the uh, road grader. Spreading often used in spread and mix the dump loading. Dump loading and spreading, they pour into the haul roads. Sometimes that can be spreaded along the haul roads. This can also possible. This is one advantage of the road grader. The basic operations completely related to the uh, road related works, that is planning surface, ditches cuts, haul road maintenance, spreadings, um, mixing of dumping loads. These are the four basic operations of the road graders. Now there is a different type of models and classifications are there. Graders can be classified in the following manner. Self-powered grader. That means the engine itself, tractor mounted is there. There is self-powered grader. Tower graders. Again, a self-powered grader are two types: mechanically controlled machine, hydraulically aided machines. So these are two are the basic operations in the self-powered grid. Most of the machines in self-powered graders, but within that one there is a two other functions based on the mechanically controlled machine and hydraulically aided machines. So this is the basic idea of classifications and type of models of the um, graders, road graders. One by one, we go to learn about the graders. Number one is a tower grader. Tower graders have no prime mover or transmission of their own. They are attached at the rear end of the tractor and pulled by it. So this is the one just like the ideal grade blade is there that can attach to the left like back side of the tractors. So it will be moving along that one. But this is a fixed depending upon the operator of the tractor. The backside blade can be moved. They are attached to a rear end of the tractor and pull it by it. This is the additional attachment of the tractor unit. Most of the tractors unit, the grader unit is usually mounted on three wheels. The adjacent diagram shown in the operator sheets, which is at the rear side. So this is a tower type grader. Most of these type of not using the open cast for other purpose, particular fields other than mines fields. It can be observed for the particular operations. Most of the in our mines are using self-propelled motor graders are using. in which hoist control and lift mechanism are placed in front of the operator seats. The main frame consists of inverted V-shaped framework, which is mounted on towered wheel. A drawbar attached at the bottom of the frame holders the circle. The blade is mounted on the circle. Self-powered graders are used mostly in open cast projects because they are highly maneuverable and the blade can be set at various angles, both horizontal and vertical. They can also be moved side by. Tower graders are usually of low capacity. These are the generally can observe low capacity because the tractor attached applications. So there is no number of applications. It's less simple for the purpose of dodge or pulling of backside material of the tractor attachment. So the parts of the road graders are shown here. There is a tandem wheel engine mounted or engine, tractor engine is mounted engine. These are called tandem wheel. These are transmission. This is a circle, the drawbar, and this Scrantifier is called as scrantifiers. So these are lifting of the circles, vertical circles, and as well as horizontal cylinders are there. The simple line diagram can be seen. So this is a elevation of the top view, and this is elevation already shown here. This is elevation part. This is the top view of the mission. The movement of the mission can be easily understand here. This is the tractor mounted in. This is tandem wheels, and the complete engine movement or pushing of the engine is happened here itself. There will be a supporting wheels. The single frame front to wheels. One pair is there. A tandem is there in between. There is a circle, and the blade is attached here. So blade can be the angle can shown here. So not based on the movement of the mission, it is independent to the mission. That can be easily understand the above top view of the mission sketch. So this is another simple diagram showing the parts of the motor graders, showing that this is the basic frame of the connecting the tandem wheels pairs and also front wheel. This is a long bar frame and front wheels. This is a driving wheels. The basic engine is backside only. The control levers and circle. This is the showing circle and blade. This is another um, s- line diagram for the easy understanding the parts of the road grader. Then this is another section is showing the very clearly. There is a cabin, there is a wheels, there is a equipment, the blade, the circle, main frame, traction frame. This is the traction frame is connecting gearbox to front wheel, the movement of the wheel. This is the actual main frame, the blade, the cabin. Some more pictures also showing about the motor grader related images for easily understanding and every functions of the parts of the motor grader. One more image is here again. The blade down force, how acting. The what is the weight? How much weight? And two-third of the weight is the back side, and one-third weight is the front side. So this is the wheelbase. It's a basic wheelbase and blade base. So blade down forces is acting here. So blade down force, the how much force is acting is equal to front weight into wheelbase, front weight wheelbase divided by wheelbase minus blade base is the blade weight on the force of the ground. So it can be easily understand. Front weight is we can take it as a front weight. Multiplied with the wheelbase of the from here to here. Multiplied by the overall wheelbase minus blade base, so that we will get the force acting on the particular location. The motor grader is showing the operation at the uh, open cast or road tie side functions. Here is very clearly mentioned how the grader will be clean up the bottom of the ground, and it's a pull down to the some place to the adjusting the wherever the down point for the material will be adjustment overall the grading. And another is the moving of the blade inside. Also, this is one special of the other than dodgers. Dodger alignment of the blade is in front of the exactly according to movement of the mission. Um, the blade can be moved, but in case of the grader, the blade can be moved aside more than the vehicle width. This is the spot you can be easily observed here. So this is the additional advantage of the road grader. So the while movement themselves, the not only width of the vehicle is influencing, it is influencing the sides also, and also they are showing the sensors of the gradient can be easily operator can observe in front of the panel. So according to that one, the grading automatically how much gradients required, that the plus or minus will be showing here according to the cutting mechanism is going on. So hydraulically operated grader. Here the blade operations and steering of machine are achieved by the hydraulic means. So complete all the mechanisms are related to the hydraulically. So that is called as a hydraulic blade mechanism. This is called a hydraulic operated grader. The blade operations and steering of machines are achieved by the hydraulic means. Other systems such as the engine and the power transmission system remain the same as those of the mechanical operated graders. Basic components of the motor graders are the following are the components of the graders: blade and circle, transmission, steering system, blade control unit, brake systems. These are the major component of the motor grader is concerned. Blade and circle is a major function part of in the motor grader, and transmission system from the front to back, and steering mechanism, the operator steering mechanism is important, and the blade control unit, the braking system. These are the major parts of the components of the motor grader. Blade. The blade is a curved with cutting edge at the bottom and has two corner pieces at the side. The weight of the blade is less in comparison of with the that of dozer blade. This is generally, as per the dozer is concerned, these are curved type nature at the bottom and two corner pieces at the side. There is not single piece. There is a two corner pieces at the sides. The weight of the blade is less in comparison with the dozer blade. Um, this is a very essential. The dozer blade is more weight compared to the uh, motor grader blade is concerned. Another important part is the circulant blade. The circle is machined ring with gear teeth on the inner surface. The blade consists of a curved mold bolt of approximate dimension 3710 into 620 multiple 19 mm with the replaceable edge of the sides and bottom. This is the general dimensions of the in millimeters of the blade. This has a heavy back reinforcement which is machined to form rail that can slide through the supporting brackets fastened two blanks welded to the lower surface of the circle. The lift's arms are fastened to each side of the drawbar of the rear end are operated by the cranks on the frame. These cranks are turned by heavy duty shafts. In some latest designs, these arms are for the telescopic type, thereby extending and retracting the circle, which help in raising lowering the blade. So this is the one advantage of the other lifting arms. Most of the one is the lifting arm is there, and side moving arms are most of the hydraulically operated with the operator cabin. Power transmission system. Power from the engine is transmitted through a wet multiple disc clutch, and coupling to the gearbox. Power from the gearbox is taken in a different differential through universal joints and propeller shafts. The different distribution distributes power on the left and right hand sides as the situation demands to the tandem drive sprockets. Here there are two sprockets on each side, and each of them deliver power to the wheel individually through an endless chain and sprocket arrangement. The system operates at six different speeds, both for the reverse and forward. Most of the traveling speed is a very low, 3.5 to 15.16 kilometer per hour, the speed of the vehicle. So most of the transmission system uh, through clutch and coupling gearbox, gearbox system, the different grades are there. So it can be transmitted to engine to the pushing of material. I mean, the circle movement operations are independent. So same the ripper type draw tongue is given cable and frame. This is another type. It can be attached in the back side of the uh, road motor grader. Ripper. Hydrogram tooth is it is also attaching the backside of the motor. There's a grader motor can be attached to the backside of the one. So some more applications of road grader to prepare the roads to suitable graders by spreading the road material. Is also scrap the uneven road and fill up the spot holes on the road. This is a major application is only the thrown the material from one place to another. So during that activity, these are also completing. This is a basic application road grader. Very handy mission for the open cast is concerned. So how to estimating the production? This is a very important. Just like Dozer, there is no to have any container. So the quantity, how to measure the production of the road grader. Grader production is usually calculated on a linear basis. That is means the how much distance is traveled for 1 hour for completion of 1 hour for road projects or in case of um, uh, open cast mine the how much distance it traveled from the uh, that particular location to other locations on an area basis square yard or square meters per hour for general construction projects you can use this one on a area basis, particularly square yards or square meters per hour, how much area it covered. These are the General construction projects usually used. The time required to complete roadway projects. The time required to complete a road project may be estimated as follows. The time required to complete a roadway project may be estimated the following empirical formula. That is a time equal to a sigma of number of passes multiplied with section length, that is a kilometers, divided by the average speed of per section, that's a kilometer per hour, multiplied with the efficiency. So this is a generally production calculation methodology for the grader reconstruction, because there is no container, so that you can be linearly or the area, the how much area it will be covered, based on these two, the production can be estimated and come to the performance of the grader calculation is possible. So for this I am going to concluding the this chapter, that is application of main part function place of application road grader. So we have observed the construction details so far. The basic construction of the that road grader. They have the tandem wheels of one pair and one pair of wheels in front. It's a basic structure. The prime mover is the diesel operated. There is a long frame is there, and a circle is very important function. And the blade is another major activity, pushing the material from the one place to other place, to adjusting and grading of the road, the road projects as well as in a haul roads purpose. These are the major applications of the road grader. Once see the glance of the images of the road graders. Right. This generally the summarizing the all things. They generally are asking one quiz. Quiz is very important for the purpose of in your competitive examinations and ESET examination and as well as any JMT examination purpose. Grader can be classified in the following manner: self-powered grader or tower grader. There are the two types. The above two are the this classification. This is one model of the quiz is concerned. Then assignment is write about the road grade with neat sketch, mention the various parts of the grader. The frequently asking question in the board examinations are the list the main parts, functions, and place of application of road graders. So with this, I'm going to conclude then. Thank you very much. హ్మ్. తాగలేదు ఇంకా.